seafarers and Dockers Union of India. Thank you all authorities, respected guests and seafarers and dock worker brothers. Thank you very much to give your presence. I am honored to represent 61st National Maritime Day. The father of Indian Navy and management guru, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who had gave us the way of maritime, the shipping fraternity. On this occasion, I would like to thank all the guests who have came here. Seafarer is the most important key person for this maritime industry. They are the backbone of this maritime industry. Most of the seafarers who are youngsters who have came here on this occasion, they have came here to know what shipping industry is, how it works. Most of the people, सबको यहाँ पे लगता ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे बहुत पैसा है, ठीक है? This industry is having lot of money, right? But there are its own challenges, its own problems, which come across when you join merchant navy, you join the shipping fraternity. The shipping fraternity has a lot of challenges we are facing today, but with the help of the authorities, the people in our government, and people like we as an association and organization help to give you the proper path and the proper way how to join this industry, how to do this your work safely without your giving any stress to your mind, well-being at sea. This is what we are trying to do. Although everybody knows, only this industry has an idea with learn and earn prospects. No other industry, I don't think that there is any other industry having learn and earn prospect. Somehow, the way of learning, everybody here is to earn money, right? Guys, shipping industry is known for money, but to earn, you should learn, and learning is done by hearing. When you go on board ship, you should hear to your seniors, hear to your senior most person who gives you the advice how safely you can work on board ship. Secondly, you can learn by observing how the people are working in safe condition without zero accident. So you should always learn by hearing, by observing, and third is by your experience. How experience comes? Experience comes with the senior most person. You have to be listen to the senior person, share the experience. You will know how shipping industry works. And anyways, whenever you complete certain period of time, you have to go through an exam. You have to go through the learning process, and automatically, once you start learning, you start earning more. Am I right, sir? So, I will always say to my seafarer brothers that please follow the instructions of your seniors. It is the only industry where you can learn and earn. Everybody knows how important is the safety of life at sea. Safety of life at sea. Everybody here has seen a movie Titanic. It was a disaster happened in Titanic. You know, everybody here has seen Titanic movie. Let this not be the speed button conversation, guys. Everybody has seen Titanic movie, right? So now that Titanic movie, what disaster is going to happen in Titanic movie? It was the only Titanic ship, RMS Titanic. RMS Titanic was the ship which was sailed from London to New York. And on that ship, it was a luxurious ship carrying 2,000 passengers. But what happened to that ship? It was been declared that the ship will not be sink. It is unsinkable. A ship, even a god cannot be sink. But what happened to that ship? The negligence and inexperience people was on board. And because of that, what happened? There was no safety equipment and safety on board ship. So, after that, once the disaster happened, the committee was being set up, and that committee is called SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea. So everybody, whenever you go on board ship, there is mandatory part is safety first. Everybody here is to learn. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई पैसा कमाना है, किसी भी तरह बस कमाना है. You have to learn. You have to be very practical on board ship. You have to be attentive on board. Then only you can do the proper way. We are not servant. We are not labor. We are sailor. Guys, we are sailor. Everybody should know what a sailor can do. We move the world. We move the maritime industry. So, everybody should be attentive, and it's my request on this National Maritime Day to just be attentive, be safely, be proper trained, well experienced, and give a contribution to our country, to our nation. Thank you very much. I close my line, and thank you very much for your presence.
Thank you, sir. Thank